One of the perks of being a jeweler is that I get to try on all this beautiful bling and all the different combination. Of course, I'm gonna spill it all. I'm gonna give you all the deets. You better get your pen and paper ready. Let's go. First, I'm gonna show you all the different engagement rings here. I know they're all round diamonds, but I swear they're very, very different, even though when you look from the top, they look kind of similar. But all the goodies are on the side detail. Look at those side profile. Oh my God, I need to give you a close-up of every single one. The first one is this one here, which is a very classic two-tone round diamond solitaire, okay? This is a 2-carat center, and it has 6-prong with the full hidden halo, okay? I've also done this ring in the 4-prong version. So the second version I'm going to show you here is the same ring, but it has a cathedral and a diamond bridge added to it. So here is the difference between the two. Now, on this side, we have a diamond that's about half a carat larger. So right now we're comparing 2-carat versus 2.5 carat. The cathedral, when it touches the head, it does give a little bit of extra support, but honestly, it is totally safe without it. I love the detail of the diamond bridge. I think if you are like me, a little extra, and you always like bling on the side, this is definitely very beautiful. So this band here, the wedding band is 2.6 millimeter and the engagement ring is 2 millimeter. And on this hand, you have a 2.2 millimeter engagement ring with 2.5 carat center stone with a 5 millimeter oval band. So take a look at the difference. It's pretty big. Like, it depends if you want something a little bit more pronounced. And of course, these are both in gold, but notice that we are doing platinum on the prongs on both of them, just because the platinum prongs really make it whiter, okay? I've done yellow on yellow before, which you can see here, but a lot of people do love that colorless, icy center stone with the warmth of the gold parrot on the side. Okay, moving on to this very classic knife edge solitaire in 1.7 carat. We were seeing a lot of people loving the really, really large stones, and then all of a sudden we're seeing more and more clients saying, okay, now I'm kind of thinking maybe I want to go a little smaller on simple band. Of course, you can choose lab versus natural, and this is a knife edge solitaire, okay? So for those of you who are like, oh, what's the difference between a knife edge and a regular, which is the classic shank that I was showing earlier, it basically, what it does is that it pinches the shank, even though if it's the same millimeter. This is 2.2 millimeter, this is 2 millimeter. It almost like looks like this is slimmer, even though it's wider. It's because of that pinched knife edge. And I love pairing this 1.7 carat to a 2.8 millimeter French pavé band. I don't think it takes away from the stone, but hey, if you're extra, take a look at this 4 carat round diamond eternity band that we made. If you were like, oh, sometimes I just wear the band alone and I'm not wearing the engagement ring and I want something kind of a little bit bigger, this combo is it. It is on fire. It looks amazing. Even when you take this off and you're just wearing this one, it's around 4 millimeter. This is around 4.5 millimeter. Instantly you see the difference in carat change. We're super low profile but has minimal metal. This is our U gallery. A lot of people ask us, oh, what's better, U gallery or double gallery? I say, if you're clumsy, go double gallery. If you're more delicate with your hand and you like seeing all the diamonds exposed to the side, go U gallery. They're both just as beautiful. Of course, me being Bonnie, I love the extra chunk, and that brings me to this ring, which is a 3.2 carat round diamond with our signature French pavé. Now also with the 6-prong hidden halo, and of course I've done this ring in the 4-prong many times. You have the option of having the 4-prong hidden halo or having it see-through. I've done both styles. Okay, this is a carat comparison for you as well, 2.5 versus 3.2. And now I want to say I have made this beautiful Asscher cut band. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the contrast of the step cut and the round. There you have it, round on round, round on step cut. It is stunning. I like both. Which one is your favorite? Leave them in the comment right now. Round on Asscher, round on round. Last but not least, I have to feature this stunning beauty. Okay, we did this. It's a tulip north-south on round with a Peekaboo ruby and the diamond bridge. So earlier, I've shown you the cathedral with the diamond bridge here with the 6-prong hidden halo. Now I'm showing you the tulip version. I love the petals, the way it opens up the stone on the side. You can just see through it. And you've got the compass prongs here, 4-prong on the round in a different orientation. And then you've got the 6 here, both Cathedral. So stunning. This is 2.2 millimeter. This is 2 millimeter. I'd say don't get fixated on like, oh, how many millimeter. It looks beautiful if the craftsmanship is done right. This is 2.5 carat I mentioned earlier over here. And on this side, we are also looking at a 2.5 carat diamond. I would love to pair this with a very, very petite French pavé. Look at the details. I like to see the diamond bridge, so I think that this petite band would really work out. So that way, when I'm looking to the side, I still see the detail. And over here, we see that little French pavé detail. I love this look. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. And recently, we celebrated a new milestone. Did you see that? All thanks to you, this community is made for you. If you love diamonds, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at @ByBonnieJewelry. Also comment on which ring was your favorite, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!